let's make a tiramisu.
Well, ingredients. For making a very nice tiramisu, you have used Ladyfinger biscuits. Ladyfingers biscuit is very good, and this brand, I think, is one of the best brands to make Ladyfinger biscuits. And I wanna make a very big tiramisu, so I buy 3 bags of these biscuits. Anyway, cheese. You have to use a creamy cheese and buy mascarpone cheese, because mascarpone cheese is one of the best cheese you can use in your tiramisu. And if you look at the box, you can see the tiramisu pictures. Yeah, you're right here. And after that, we need eggs. I think for 1 bag of biscuits, you need 3 eggs. So I have 3 bags. I use 9 or 10 eggs. And anyway, cream. In a traditional recipe, every baker uses white egg to make a really soft cream. White egg and sugar. But I prefer use a real heavy cream because I think this form is better than old way. Sugar. That's very bad, but I have to use this to make it real tiramisu. Today is my cheat day and I can eat tiramisu, so don't worry. Cocoa powder and vanilla. Vanilla is not in the real recipe, but the smell is so good, and mixed with cocoa powder, I think it's very good. So I use vanilla in my recipe. And anyway, let's make it. For tiramisu, we need espresso. I have an espresso machine and mocha pot, but for tiramisu I prefer use mocha pot because I wanna have a cup of coffee to make a tiramisu. Okay, let's make a coffee with mocha pot. Okay, espresso is ready. Okay, we need eggs. Actually, yolk eggs. Egg yolks and the whites. I think I will have a very big omelette tomorrow. Okay, put the egg yolk on the heat like this, and after that add sugar. This form to make yolk egg is the best because you can mix the egg and sugar together on the heat and have a really good sauce. But in this form, you have mix yolk every time. Okay, add the sugar. I'm really sorry, but I have to use sugar to make this mixture. I think that's close to be ready. Look at this. After that, you have to mix it fast. Okay, your egg is ready. Let's mix it fast. Okay, we have to open creams. After that, we have to mix it very fast with a little sugar, and after that, add your yolk eggs on the mixture, and after this form, add your cheese and a little vanilla to have a better smell. Okay, your cream have to be something like this. Please, my hand up. Okay. The first layer have to be cream, and after that, biscuits with espresso. And after biscuits, add your cream and cocoa powder, and use this technique for 3 times. Biscuits, cream, cocoa powder, biscuits, cream, cocoa powder, biscuits, cream, cocoa powder. And the final part. Okay, let's do it fast because I don't have a short. Okay, you have to the cocoa powder all around tiramisu. Look at that. And this is a perfect tiramisu. Go to the fridge for 1 day, and tomorrow I try it for you.